Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 135. The lecturer said electricity is in evidence everywhere, and today it is an indispensable factor in the life of a progressive people. Despite the constant and enthusiastic efforts of electricians, the exact nature of electricity is unknown. Among the reforms for which science is responsible, none has been more singularly beneficial to the race than the application of electricity to the needs of mankind. The reformer is now turning his attention to domestic duties, which are undergoing a revolution in the hands of the electrical engineer. Certainly, the reformation is very slow, and it is very unfortunate that housewives in this country should show some opposition to methods of electric cooking. Of electric cookers, he could not speak too enthusiastically. They do not fluctuate in temperature. The result obtained yesterday will be obtained today. If the same conditions are imposed, he spoke of the sensibility of electric waves in the air and of the various methods of producing electricity, which were far from being uniform, and gave a wonderful account of the generating of electricity by the force of water. All were unanimous in their praise of the lecture. Full stop.